Well, this is the next video. We're here at a lodge hotel, magnificent place. And I've just entered into the dining room, the main dining room. One can imagine when it gets really cold here, this is where people are having dinner and breakfast. And there's a beautiful little fireplace here. And we'll take a roundabout search here. My senses tell me there are antiques here, and I think we're going to find some. Yeah, quite interesting. I shall continue the venture and just, ooh, well, that's an antique. Brass binoculars. Oh, that's quite interesting too. It's a clock. Yeah, so there's some, and the old-fashioned telephone. Shall we make a phone call? Shall we make a phone call? Yes, we shall. But what happened here? Okay, well that's not too cool, is it? But just to show you how we used to call back in the 60s, 70s, 50s, all the way up until the 1980s, we had this type of telephone made out of bakelite, very hard plastic. So let's call someone. This is how we did it back then, for those of you who were not here. This was it. Hello? Yes. Who is this? Oh my God, it's been such a long time since I've heard from you. What? Are you serious? Okay. Wow, I think this is a very interesting place. And I think I will probably stay a little bit longer. Okay? Sounds good to me. Okay, I love you too. Goodbye. And that's how we used to make phone calls. This is the missing piece. I will not take the time to fix it, although I could. But we will venture on to other parts of this most beautiful, rustic. It's such a wonderful place. Back outside into the magnifique view.
Les couleurs, elles sont beaucoup plus belles.
Ouais, c'est plus vert.
Ah bon, tu vois les photos. Le truc haut. Hello.
Hello.
Still the same video?
No, this is a different one. Very educational. And we will stop here and go on with our voyage. Meanwhile, I will find out the name of this song.